Hi everyone! Today I will show you how to light up the exterior scene. We will use the Sun&Sky System and Dome light with HDRI Maps. This is my exterior scene with a building and trees. You can create a scene with me during the webinar next week. Let's go to the Asset Editor and Lighting tab. Currently I'm using sunlight to illuminate the scene, which is set by default. Let's check the render without any changes. It looks okay, but not super realistic. Look that the shadows from the trees around the camera create a nice effect. Let's hide the trees and compare these visualizations. Without trees, it's different and less interesting. Trees really make a difference in the scene. Next, let's adjust the sun settings. To do this, go to the sun properties in the Asset Editor. Turn on Interactive Rendering mode for a live preview. I turn on Custom Orientation to change the position of the sun. When the sun is on the horizon, the render looks dark. I will make it brighter by moving the sun above the horizon. I changed the sun's angle to 35 degrees and played with the horizontal position, choosing 235 degrees, which I find interesting. Now let's tweak other properties like intensity and size multiplier. I keep intensity unchanged as values higher than 1 can be too intense. The size multiplier affects the sun's blurriness. Lower values mean sharper shadows, while higher values result in blurrier shadows. I've set it to 5 for a slightly blurry effect. For more control over exterior lighting, I've turned on the Light Mix Render elements available from V-Ray 5. I switch the group by parameter to group instances. This way, the light sources will be grouped together. I turn on the tree stack and render the scene. I can use light mix to control specific light sources like the sun and environment. This render element is a game changer, giving me a lot of control to set the mood for the exterior scene. Moreover, I can activate the exposure layer to adjust exposure, minimize overexposed areas in the scene, and enhance contrast. It's done. Let's try another way to light up the exterior scene using the dome light with an HDRI map. Firstly, I click on the dome light icon and place it anywhere in the scene. Then I go to the Lighting tab and a new dome light appears. The next step is to upload an HDRI map. This is a 360-degree image containing lighting informations. Choosing different HDRI maps can create various moods, from sunny to dark night scenes. You can download HDRI maps for free, for example from the website polyheaven.com. Let's start with the Mud Road Pure Sky HDRI map. I upload it and set intensity to 30. The render shows a cloudy sky resulting in a gray scene without direct sunlight. The mood is different from the previous one. Remember, you can always add the sun if you want to change the render's look. Note that when you are using dome light, the environment settings doesn't work. It's replaced by the dome light. I often use the Canon map to achieve a mood that's less cloudy than before. Adding the sun creates an interesting effect. Keep in mind that you can rotate the dome light to illuminate the scene differently. Simply select Use Transform and rotate the dome light, for example, by 90 degrees. Let's see how the scene is illuminated differently based on the HDRI map's position. Let's go with a sunny HDRI map. I will introduce you to a fantastic feature available in V-Ray 6, Finite Dome. I will upload the Meadow 2 HDRI map, switch to Bird's Eye View, check the Finite Dome option, and start interactive rendering. At first, nothing is visible, so I need to increase the radius to enlarge the dome light size. Adjusting the radius allows me to change the surrounding and illumination of the scene. Trying different radius values shows clear differences. You can also play with the projection height to find what looks best. I leave the ground blend value unchanged. For this particular view, Finite Dome may not be very helpful, but there are many situations where it can greatly benefit your work. Different HDRI maps create various visualization modes. It's amazing how you can easily change the render just by switching HDRI maps. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a like. For more on V-Ray and SketchUp, check out my website educk.org. There you will find lots of free assets, articles and courses. See you there and bye!